In the digital age, one language has emerged as a cornerstone across diverse fields, from web development to artificial intelligence: Python. Known for its simplicity and versatility, Python is not just a programming language, it's a revolution. This video delves into why mastering Python is indispensable in today's tech-driven world. Python is revolutionizing web development. Frameworks like Django and Flask empower developers to craft cutting-edge web applications. Companies such as Instagram and Spotify leverage Python to enhance their web infrastructures. Python simplifies back-end processes, managing HTTP requests and database interactions effortlessly. This ease of use makes it an ideal choice for dynamic content generation. Python isn't just about simplicity, it's about community and support. A vast reservoir of knowledge and constant updates make it a future-proof choice for developers. Data science thrives on Python. Libraries like NumPy and Pandas transform complex data operations into simpler, executable tasks. Visualization tools such as Matplotlib elucidate data insights vividly. Python's prowess extends to scientific computing. A notable project funded by DARPA underscores Python's capability to handle extensive data analytics and processing tasks. The language's accessibility makes it a preferred choice for professionals across various sectors, enabling them to harness the power of data effectively. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are the frontiers of technological advancement, and Python is at their core. TensorFlow and PyTorch are just a few frameworks that showcase Python's capabilities in building sophisticated models. Python is pivotal in areas like NLP and computer vision. Its versatility supports robotic innovations, making complex algorithms more approachable and implementable. The synergy between Python and AI technologies fosters a landscape where theoretical AI models become practical solutions. Automation and scripting. Python excels in automation. From streamlining system administration to automating routine business tasks, Python's scripts enhance productivity and efficiency. Its scripts can manage files, directories, and system APIs, making operations seamless and less prone to errors. Businesses leverage Python to automate data analysis, report generation, and database interactions, thus optimizing operational workflows. Game development. In the gaming world, Python is making a mark. Libraries like Pygame and Panda3D offer tools necessary for developing interactive games. The language's straightforward syntax and rich set of libraries enable rapid prototyping, which is crucial in game development. Python's role in game development extends beyond just creation. It fosters innovation and experimentation. Desktop applications. Python's simplicity shines in desktop application development. Libraries like Tkinter and Puaiku facilitate the creation of user-friendly GUIs. Cross-platform compatibility ensures that applications developed with Python can run seamlessly on various operating systems. This adaptability makes Python a popular choice among developers looking to create robust and versatile desktop applications. Audio and video applications. Python assists in the burgeoning field of media processing. Tools like PyDub and MoviePy simplify audio and video editing, enabling the creation of comprehensive media applications. Whether it's building media players or streamlining video editing processes, Python provides the necessary tools to enhance media interaction. Its capabilities are transforming how professionals and hobbyists alike handle media, making it more accessible and manipulable. Financial technology, or fintech. Python's analytical strength plays a crucial role in fintech. It helps tackle key challenges such as regulation and compliance, thanks to its robust data processing capabilities. Financial institutions are increasingly turning to Python to develop advanced analytic tools that drive decision-making. Python's reliability and efficiency make it a staple in the financial sector, poised to reshape the future of finance. Startups and community support. Startups thrive on Python's scalability. Its capacity to rapidly develop MVPs and facilitate effective iterations makes Python a startup favorite. The open source nature of Python garners substantial community support. This aspect is crucial for startups that rely on community-driven solutions and collaborations. Python's impact is significant and growing. In an era dominated by the rapid evolution of technology, Python emerges as a beacon of innovation, versatility, and simplicity. This powerful programming language has infiltrated various industries, proving to be indispensable for modern technological advancements. From small startups to tech giants, Python paves the way toward the future, making it essential for anyone looking to thrive in the digital realm.